Welcome to Stay Alert. Today's story will shock you. Imagine a small rabbit causes a big airplane engine to catch fire. Yes, you heard it right. Watch carefully, first see the real video. Look at these sparks, the engine on fire, and the plane still flying. Unbelievable. Now let's tell you what really happened. On Sunday, April 13, 2025, United Airlines Flight 2325 was leaving Denver International Airport going to Edmonton, Canada. Everything was normal until a rabbit suddenly ran onto the runway. As the plane took off, the rabbit got sucked into the right engine. Right after that, boom, a loud sound, that plane shook and the engine caught fire. The pilot stayed calm and said on the radio, "Rabbit through the number 2, that'll do it." Number 2 means the right engine. Passengers inside the plane were very scared. One passenger said he saw a giant fireball from his window. Another said there was loud vibration and backfire sounds again and again. A man on the ground said, "My stomach dropped. I thought I would see the plane crash." The pilots thought maybe the fire damaged the landing gear too, so they stayed in the air for almost 25 minutes, making sure everything was safe. Finally, the pilots landed the plane back in Denver safely. Firefighters rushed to the plane and all 153 passengers and 6 crew members were safe. Now the FAA is investigating how this happened. Fun fact, in 2024, there were 20,000 animal strikes with planes in the USA only, but only 4 of them involved rabbits. So remember, sometimes even the smallest thing like a rabbit can cause the biggest problem. Stay alert, stay safe.